Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today, we're taking a closer look at the incredible Calfa Turbo Racing 176 scale drift RC car. This little powerhouse is equipped with a gyro for smooth drifting, and it comes fully proportional right out of the box. One of the standout features of the Calfa Turbo Racing RC car is its high simulation headlights and LED light on the chassis. Not only do the headlights create a realistic spotlight effect, but they also have a double flash function for added excitement. But that's not all. The THR-Curve upgrade ensures that your acceleration is smooth and powerful, providing an exhilarating experience every time you take this RC car for a spin. The Type-C charging port and long battery life make it easy to keep the fun going for up to 30 minutes of action-packed driving. And let's not forget the cool taillights, which light up during braking for an extra touch of realism. Plus, the removable car shell allows you to customize your RC car with 2 additional body shells. It's like getting 2 cars in one with all these amazing features. The Calfa Turbo Racing RC car is the perfect gift for any RC car enthusiast. So why wait? Check out the link in the description and get ready to experience the joy of drifting with the Calfa Turbo Racing RC car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content from Tech24.